Have you ever wondered what happens when a drone is built for missions where failure isn't an option? Welcome back to Drone Dominator. Today we're checking out the Freefly Astro, a professional drone made for search and rescue, mapping, inspections, and other critical jobs. The Freefly Astro has a lightweight modular design, letting you swap cameras and payloads in minutes. It flies smoothly, offers highly accurate GPS, and delivers reliable performance even in challenging conditions. It's also quick to set up, so you can get airborne fast when every second counts. This isn't a drone made for casual flying. It's built for professionals who need dependable performance every time. Depending on the configuration, the Freefly Astro starts at around $15,000. And fully equipped versions can cost much more. If you're looking for a powerful commercial drone, the Freefly Astro is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest drone reviews. Also, comment below and tell me which drone you want to see next.